Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to index your Hostinger Horizons web app in Google search results. This is the app, or this is my web app built using Hostinger Horizons, and I want to index it in Google search results. First, let's log in to my Hostinger account. Then go to websites, then websites list. This is my web app link again, and after creating and publishing your web app, let's copy this URL, copy the app URL like that, and search for Google search results. Search console, my bad. Search for Google Search Console tools, click on it, log in using your account, click on add property, go with a domain and not the prefix, click on continue, and here you need to verify your domain ownership. It is better to go with the txt method. Copy this code and go back where you have your domain name registered. In my case, it's with Hostinger itself, so I will go to domains, then domain portfolio. This is my domain name. Click on manage. If your domain name is registered on another domain name registrar, for example, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any domain name registrar, just go first to your domain name settings and look for DNS or name servers. Click on it. Then look for manage DNS records. It's pretty much similar to this table. Select the type txt, and here fill in your txt value. Click on add record. As you can see, DNS record created successfully. After adding this txt value, give it 10 to 15 minutes for this change to take effect worldwide. So wait a little bit, and after that return to this verification step and hit verify. As you can see, ownership verification failed. We couldn't find your verification token in your domain's txt records. We find these DNS text records instead. I gave this verification a little bit of time. I think it's around 13 minutes, and I try to verify it later, and it works. Now, what you need to do is to go to URL inspection. Here, fill in your web app link or page or pages that you want to index and hit enter. They are now retrieving data from Google. As you can see, URL is not on Google, so here click on request indexing. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Mastering Hostinger Horizons today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Horizons. You will see what is Hostinger Horizons exactly. Then we will see what's the difference between web apps and websites or mobile apps. You will also see how to sign up and access the Horizon dashboard, the possibilities and restrictions inside Horizons, also mobile editing and FAQ. After that, and inside building your first web app, I will share with you how to create web apps like a budget app, a recipe app, or even a travel organizer. And we will also see in-depth examples like how to create a community web app, or even a habits tracker or a fitness web app. After that, I will share with you how to publish your web app by connecting it to a domain, a subdomain, also SEO settings to start getting traffic from Google or search engines. Then we will jump to advanced features and integrations like how to add a database to your web app, or even how to test your web app. After that, we will see how to fix common errors, then how to monetize your web app by accepting credit card payments or promote your own web app. If you want to get access to all of this plus my other online courses today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. As you can see, indexing requested URL was added to a priority crawl queue. Submitting a page multiple times will not change its queue position or priority. And just like that, enter all the your web app pages here and request the same. And just like that, your web app pages will start to be indexing in Google search results. How to verify if a page is indexed? Just copy the URL you want to verify, right side, two dots, and your page just like that, and hit enter. And if a page is indexed in Google, you will see its results here below here. Let's show you an example. Ben's experience. It will show us these search results. And that's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and see you in the next video.